Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Analytics blog. Today I will show us two tips on Excel, how we can insert logo into Excel and how we can also extract name, first name and last name and initial from email. So we'll start with this. So if in case you want to insert the logo of various company or institution into Excel, instead of copying and paste the picture of the logo, you can actually use this formula on the screen to insert it. So now I'm starting with my formula. Just make sure you start with equals to insert the formula, equals to image, image followed by concatenate. Concat actually replace concatenate, concat, then followed by the website with double quotes, https then column, double stroke, logo dot clearbit dot com, double quote, then stroke, then double quote again, comma, then I will reference my cell, which is D2, then comma again, double quote dot com, double quote again, then close my bracket. You can see now that it has given me the first logo for the, which is Apple, for the first company. So now what you do next is to drag it down or double click. So you can see now that we've eventually, it has automatically inserted all the logo for this company. Just make sure you write what you want down and use this formula to insert the logo. So now the next thing is how to extract name and initial from email. If you have a lot of email and you want to extract their name and initial, just do this. Make sure you fill, instead of you using it, inserting it, writing it manually, you can actually use Control E to do it. So, but the first thing is you fill the first row. So I'm going to do it for the first row now. Fill the first row manually. So the first name, then last name, then initial will be JR. So now what I'm going to do now is to fill the rest using Control E. So just make sure in the first column, I'm going to click on Control E. See now that it has filled this. Then the second one, click on Control E. It has filled it. The third one, filled on Control, which is the initial Control E. So you can see now that it has automatically filled our column. If you have several email that you want to extract their name and initial, you will use this particular formula and follow the process. So that is all for me today. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment.